Yay. Today, we're going to attempt something new. We're going to try and make Christmas stockings. We can't even sew holes that are in our clothes. You know in like a Wes Anderson movie or something where the decorations are really just charming because they're so homemade? That's like what I'm hoping for because we're amateurs. Except I don't know how to do any stitching, so that's going to be an issue.
I have no idea. I feel like that's a very high standard, saying Wes Anderson.
But we are creative, so perhaps like our eye can help us through. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the R's very cute. You should do this one.
You think that one? I'm doing this one.
Oh, okay, yeah, do that then.
That looks so complicated.
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
I love it.
I googled how long it takes to make a Christmas stocking, and it said 2 hours.
Just the base?
Yeah.
No, I can do the base in like 10 minutes. If I make a blanket stitch or I make a rocket stitch.
Well, I'm planning to look up a quick tutorial to see what.
Alright.
I'm allowed to look up a tutorial.
Alright.
You can look up any tutorial you want.
May as well just get somebody to make it.
Might as well just buy it on AliExpress at this rate. I bought some pieces of felt and I was wondering if I could like ink them to like make them a colour. Or I could just stitch around them and it's like, what?
You haven't told me about these ideas.
Did you tell me about yours?
I don't have any ideas.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Condolences. Rocket's a white belt.
Is that good?
I don't think so. I'm going to cut my shape first and then I'm going to cut my littler shapes and see how that looks because then I can place them all around.
Alright, I need 2 layers because I want to make it nice and thick and puffy.
And I need 2 layers just because there's 2 sides. Should I make a template with like paper or something? Oops. I don't really mind the exact shape as long as both sides are the same shape, you know?
Me realising these needles aren't quite sharp enough.
Really?
They're pretty hard to fit through.
Really? Yeah, they are, but it's with a bit of pressure, it's actually okay, Bubba. Yay! How was that look? Yay, it worked. These could be used for another 20 years. And we're just randomly making them. But I really didn't need as much fabric as I bought. It almost tessellates. Look how good my shape is, honey. It almost tessellates. Ah! It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love the shape of yours. It's like
It's like moon boots.
Yeah.
Alright, now to get rid of 7 meters of fabric.
We really overestimated how much fabric we'd need, didn't we?
Make the whole family stocking.
Maybe we should do that. I was thinking that. Maybe we should do that for next year. Like, I think that'd be really sweet. So stockings is clearly a thing because they hung it by the fire to like dry it out or something from the snow.
Yeah.
Sure, well, I don't know. I just what I assume. So what would the I guess it would be board shorts and swimmers.
Oh yeah.
So weird how traditions start. Like if you actually think about it, that's how I don't know that that's true, but I assume like you've come in from the snow, your stockings are wet, so you're hanging them by the fire to dry them, and then Santa fills them for some reason.
They're still dirty then.
Santa fills dirty stockings. That's not really a vibe to me.
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
Also, what kind of stockings look like this, or did they just make them bigger so people could have more prezzies?
Let's do it then.
Do it, babe. Jump into it.
Let's
I feel
jump
like
into it.
like we can always go to Spotlight if you really screw up. So just to be fearless, because I feel like that's where the charm will come from.
Exactly. That's not sharp at all. Maybe I'll just hammer them in like a nail.
Okay, well, can I have my own needle in case you break all the others? I'm scared for your embroidery. I think it's going to be way more laborious than we anticipate.
Good. I'm glad. I love a good challenge.
That's why he dates me.
I laugh in the face
There's
of
danger. Ha 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 ha.
challenge.
Like, you know when you see someone and they don't fully know what they're doing and you're just like, oh, you know, that's what people are going to be doing to us.
It's funny that the underside seems to look better. Look at that side, and then
That's better.
yeah.
Alright, now I begin my journey down.
Why are things getting messy and overwhelming?
Help! We're not built for this. Why is this happening to us? Because we chose to do this. Because I spent all my time being a stupid photographer and illustrator instead of being a sewist or whatever. It's okay if it's a bit ugly. That's all I'm going to tell myself. I'm going to downturn these. I don't think I did this in the best way. I probably should have done it first, but I was really excited to just get started. What?
I didn't realise I was working with a sewing master. Downturn?
No, like I just wanted to do this.
Know the lingo?
I just want to do this so it looks nice.
I'm going to downturn this.
Baby, look, babe.
Oh my god.
Isn't that cool? Look, it's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Miles ahead of me. What the heck have I been working on while you've been making everything?
The shape I'm pleased with. This is a hole, so no one get me any presents that are really small, like a tiny, tiny, tiny little marble or something. If you this. Are you nervous? You sound a bit nervous.
Oh, this is gonna be so hot.
Really? I'd just be worried about how these reds are completely different.
No, they're good.
That's orange and that's blue.
I matched it pretty okay.
Do you want to build a snowman? Maybe it's going to be charming like when a kid draws a drawing. It's like so perfectly. No, but we don't have that though. We're not children. Like we're not already...
We basically are though. At the level that we are in it.
With the...
Oh my god, that's so good.
I'm going to do the embroidery afterwards, obviously. Movies are just constantly being made. Isn't that so cool?
Yeah, it is cool.
And like, there's always a good-ish movie on, usually. Like, so much money's been put into art. Okay.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Okay, so next, now that I've got those... Oh my god, how am I going to do this? I honestly don't even know what I'm seeing right now.
Plan is to loop that there, cut it, then do a line for the T.
Yay, that looks really good.
It's top quality stuff we're
I'm
talking about.
nervous to do mine actually. It probably would have been easier to embroider not inside, but I didn't have the confidence not to know what it was going to look like. I know how to do an S with like a loop because of Kiss Chasey's album. All the capitals were really like elaborate, so like the capital letters of the song. It was like how I did my signature for a long time, and like my current signature is based on, it's a more angular version of that S. Isn't that so bizarre? Oh my god, this is actually laborious and so scary because it's really like it might not work out. You just have to have faith because like there's no way I can push it through the same hole on this. So
Yeah, that's true.
Have you had to reverse it at all?
Just then I did, but it was very small.
Gosh, it's so much faith. Like it's actually so scary. Like faith in just the process, trust the process kind of thing.
Yep.
So cute, honey. That looks amazing. That looks so good.
Oh.
Do you love it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Cute.
I'm happy with it.
Yay.
Yeah, that's pretty cute and janky.
It's not even janky, baby. It's pretty good.
Do I stitch these two together first? Because it's a double knit.
But you're going to put that thing over the top.
So I just leave it and I just make sure to put it in that section. Or I can organise it so, okay.
It has to have a hole.
Lollies go here, chocolate goes here,
And money goes here. And all my camera gear that I'll get.
so it goes in. Gosh, what is this made out of?
Steel!
Oh
Is
my
it
god,
actually
it
hard?
did not even pierce.
What are those for?
They're my grip.
I don't know how I'm going to repeat an A. I wish I didn't have a repetitive letter in my name because it's like...
Oh yeah, you have to
Maybe I should just change my name now.
Now I need to make a bunch of reindeer and...
He was like, this is so hard. Now, how do I make the most complex image that I've got?
So that's gonna be a red stitching. I've got some more red stitching down here. This, I know it doesn't look like it, guys, but this is Santa.
Now, just use your imagination. Just sew that on. If you don't have an imagination, you can't tell how good my stocking is.
Santa.
Do you want to see my name so far?
Yes. Your name looks so good just when I saw the S. I don't know what it's gonna look like now. Oh! Wow! Genuinely love it.
Really?
That's so sick.
And then I'll just do the end. It's so close to there, though.
So close
and
that I
I'll put
love
my
it.
apostrophe there. Humpty Dumpty isn't an egg in the nursery.
Okay.
It never says he's an egg, so why do we think he's an egg? The power of illustrators.
The story doesn't depict it, but didn't he crack open?
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. I think it's just less graphic if it's an egg.
Also, you don't really piece an egg together.
You can probably
Like, when are you going to put an egg together again?
But like Humpty's a man
weird.
in a way. He's an egg man. You have to try.
This was so insane.
What?
Like, I'm just going through it.
Are you gonna be like embroidering it like?
Can you go like line stitch? So it's going to be more
okay.
like this.
Can I have a look-see thing? What you've done?
Yeah. It's a bit abstract.
Santa and his sleigh. Okay, time for a check-in. Thoughts?
I'm loving it.
Plan has changed. I was planning to do coloured thread around the outside, but it's more fiddly than it's worth, I think. And I think it doesn't look exactly what I thought it would anyway. I'm just going to do a bunch of stars, so I can use like white thread and white felt. And then I may, like this was quite easy. It just took time. I think I could just make some snowflakes out of this white thread. Now it's just going to be beige. But I think I have to work with my limitations. And we just want to spend today on these. Like I want to be able to hang these up. But I still think it'll look cute. It'll just be less colourful than I wanted, which is very sad. How are you feeling about yours, sweetheart?
Oh, it's feeling good. Definitely janky. Pretty wild and out there and kind of funny, and my picture's way less clear than I was
I love it.
anticipating.
It looks like folk art to me.
Yeah.
I love it so much. And putting this on top will make it so much like cleaner and more professional. So it kind of balances out the jankiness, you know? The texture's so nice.
What are you working on now?
I'm gonna make like a star or a snowflake.
Cute. Am I done?
Yep. It really is that. Now we have to try and put something in it and see what it looks like.
Yeah,
I'm gonna stuff mine with this for now. Look, we made stockings, babe.
Oh my gosh. Look at them go.
That's cute.
Should we put them on?
Yeah. Yeah. Christening. Christening our stockings. Walk a mile in these little cars. Hello everyone. Before I reveal to you our beautiful new family heirlooms, which are our handmade Christmas stockings, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you don't already know, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for building your website, and it's simply the best. I have never said this before, but it probably was like when I was at uni or maybe just after, my mum gave me the gift of like a website domain. Then I started my first website. It is not the website I have now. It was a .com.au website. I have to say from experience, it's a really good gift. I personally like struggle to make those kinds of decisions, like getting techie things, getting subscriptions and stuff like that when I've never tried something like that before, or if I haven't proved to myself that it's like worthwhile. Getting them a Squarespace subscription just for like a year is such a great gift because it gives them the gift of being able to figure out the business they want. It gives them the gift of being able to promote themselves. Like what my mom did is she sewed the URL into a pillow and left it on my bed. But for gifts this year, like that's a really great gift to get someone, especially someone that's creative. And if you are going to get them that gift, go to squarespace.com/furrylittlepeach. You get a free trial and 10% off your first purchase. You probably won't need the free trial. Get the 10% off. Why not? I think it's time for a stocking reveal. Christmas time is here. So this is our fireplace. We don't use it because we live in an apartment. This was an old like, I don't know if it was a manor or a mansion converted into apartments from the 1800s. I don't want to use a fireplace in Australia, it's too hot. Yay! Guys, thoughts? Our stockings, and then when I make Tonka stocking, I'm making a small one that goes here that fits treats. There's so few projects Rock and I do in a day for our work, because he's a photographer if you didn't know, and I'm an illustrator. Everything requires like pre-production. These are actually door hooks. I couldn't find ones that were just for stockings, I don't know why. DIY things blow my mind. I don't really do DIY. Maybe I should, because it brings me so much joy. And now we have things in our house that are special. I think Rocket is the nicest. I think it's so cool. It reminds me so much of like folk art, and I really enjoy like looking at folk art from different cultures. He's really good at like drawing, if you didn't know. Let's have a closer look.
This is main folk art from Netherlands.
I see.
Yeah.
We should actually look up Dutch folk art.
Yeah, I love Dutch folk art.
I love Inuit art the most. Look how pretty. Mine has less contrast, and I wish I went with an idea that had more color. I might like add some colorful things to it next year or something like that. Well, since it's the last day of the year, the last video of the year, let's try and learn a Christmas carol. I don't know how to play one yet. This hasn't been tuned yet. To be fair, I have not played this before ever in my life. I'm just good at playing things by ear for some reason. me show you the first song I learned on piano that I play randomly on Rocket's leg sometimes. Bless you.